going to play games too much. What? New video? Let me see this. What? Dominoes? I want to play too. But I cannot go outside. Idea. So let's make some dominoes with paper. So let's get started. So for making these dominoes we need two papers. I took two papers from the notebook I have. You can take any other papers. So let's get started. And we also need a scale. So first, okay, first fold it like this. And then fold this like this, and then take the scale and then tear this part out. Yeah, we don't need this thing. Okay, after that fold this side also, and then do it here, and here we have two square papers. Now do the same thing in this paper. We have 4, so we can now make 4 dominoes. Okay, so for making these dominoes we first fold it like this, then fold it here, and then fold it here in the center. After that fold it here, and then fold it in the center again, and here also. After when you done this, then take one side and do like this. See, you have to connect this part in this corner like this, and then fold this side. So we will have like this. Do the other thing the same way. After doing this, when we got like this, see, now put this part inside here. And then we have our dominoes. See, let's make more. Let's keep it aside and make more. Our fourth one is also ready. Let's give it a try. Okay. Ready, steady, go. Yay! So perfect. So this was the dominoes that I made. So this was the dominoes that I made. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell button. Bye. Oh, another thing, you should stay in home, stay safe, wash your hands, be safe, and we will see you in another video. Okay, bye.